I am so excited about today's crafting. I am going to make a mini little onesie for my 1-year-old niece for the summertime. I got some really cute fabric and I think it's gonna be hopefully somewhat simple. I actually fly back home tomorrow and it's already like 4 p.m. today, so we gotta crank this out like tonight. Maybe finish it tomorrow morning, hopefully tonight. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, first step, cut all the pieces. I'm gonna cut the front first because I care about it the most and it's the biggest piece. She always wants to lay on the blankets. Oh girl. So my fabric, look how cool it is. It's little strawberries and flowers, but I want to make sure the green ends up like on the top, probably this way, like if this was the front, you know? Like, it wouldn't look that bad if the green was at the bottom, but I feel like that just isn't how it's supposed to be. So we're gonna try to make this on the top. Centimeters by 34 centimeters, and there's 2. And I'm keeping what I want to be on the top up here. And now we're gonna do some crazy cutting to get the actual pattern. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do the cutting because it's honestly pretty complicated, but I'll link the tutorial below that shows you exactly how to do it. Check it out, this is what we got. Well, there's 2 pieces in here, but how cute. And we got the green on the top. I'm not sure why we need 2 of these, but okay. Oh, I hit the table. All right, now that we got the front done, I'm going to cut the back and the little straps, strappy poos. So yeah, the back piece is like 31 centimeters by 46 centimeters. So yeah. You know what I was thinking about the other day? Is like how dad jokes are all the rage. And what about mom jokes? Like, are there mom jokes out there? Like, someone tell me. Did I miss this? Like, I'm not a mom, but like, I feel left out, you know? Wow, okay, my lines just like don't line up, so let's like figure that out. Maybe they do. I need like one of those actual sewing plastic rulers. Like, I'm literally using this, like it's just not. I don't even have a real ruler. It's a little silly. You know what else would be really great is like, my mom has these for photos, those like huge cutters. So I feel like that would do a lot time-wise, you know, for all these projects, because who doesn't want to make your time faster? So then you can just make more stuff, you know? I just finished cutting the back piece. It looks like a giant half diaper with strawberries on it. But yeah, and now I'm basically just, with this long flat part, I'm gonna fold it over 3 centimeters, iron it, and then fold so it'll look like that. And I'm gonna fold it under again, like 1 centimeter. So there's 2 centimeters still out. Fold it under again for some elastic. Cool. I'm so excited to give her a strawberry top. I'm also gonna have extra fabric, so comment what else you think I should make for my niece or for myself. I don't know. Could be bag, maybe a little hat, matching hat and top for her. Could be fun. I don't know. Could be a little bag. I don't know. All right, unplug my iron. All right, last few pieces. We're going to make 2 of each of these. It's going to be 13 centimeters by 7 centimeters, 36 by 9, and 42 by 4.5. About to show you guys all my cut pieces now that I'm done, and I lost one. I'm supposed to have 2 of these. I promise I just saw the other one. I have to have it somewhere, but like it's disappeared. Like what? Is it like stuck to me? This is crazy. This is a mystery. Maybe I actually didn't cut one. All right, well, let's cut another one. I'm gonna find it like right after I cut this. Look at this. So we have 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. Ready to go. And these are the 2 interfacings as well. Okay, apparently we're still prepping, so we don't get to sew yet. I'm gonna take these 2 long ones, I think they're straps, and fold them in half this way, long ways, iron them, and then make a mark 2.5 centimeters down, down this way. Okay, and whoa, I thought someone was knocking, but I think the table was just rattling over there. Just like, I'm just gonna fold them in half and then stitch down. And then for these, basically just gonna iron on the interfacing like a little bit offset this way. Wow, this is just not rectangular whatsoever. Yeah, something like that. I can't believe I haven't burned myself yet. Also, I don't know why, I really like sitting on the floor while I iron. Though I have to say, I've been crafting so much and sewing so much, and I'm like hunching over all the time, probably because I'm sitting on the floor ironing. And when I'm on the table, even though it's pretty high, I'm just like, I don't know, I'm getting upper back pain. Usually I get lower back pain, you know, but you know, I'm only 25. I don't need back pain. Like, it's not really in my list of things to do in my 20s. It's not super cool. Doing our best here. It's not perfect. Almost burned myself. I literally like touched my hand to the end. All right. I think that's pretty good. I don't think this does anything. All right. Boom diggity da. Unplug iron. Move out of cashier zone. Success. Next up, get out your sewing machine. The fun part awaits. I'm gonna move all my other fabric. I dropped this on the floor. Drink a sip of tea. Pull out your sewing machine. One of those. Maybe not a one-arm job. Okay. Don't forget to turn it on and plug your pressure foot in. I actually might just change thread. I've been using white for everything, but I'm thinking we might need a navy blue or maybe even a little pink. Could be cute. I don't even know where it is. I think it's in here. No, it's in here. Aha. That's not it. I don't know what thread to do. I might do a fun pink. Like, that's pretty cute. Or like, what is this? Oh, that's it. That's the one. Oh, I'm excited now. Pink thread, why not? All right, we're gonna have to wind the bobbin. I never know how much I need. This is a small project, I might stop. Okay. We're basically just gonna sew down these along the raw edges and just start like from here and then also sew down like a centimeter or so on this side for both. Okay, wow. I did it again. I did something wrong. In my defense, the video didn't say anything and it was hard to tell because of the fabric they were using, but the long ones here were supposed to be ironed the other way out because we're gonna sew them right sides together so then we can pull them inside out so there won't be a seam. So let me re-iron real quick. Also check out my sweet socks. Got bears on them. I got them at a New Mexico souvenir shop. It was really cool. So I got these. And I actually got a small cute pair that had like lizards on it for my niece. That's so cute. I didn't realize I was wearing them. All right, now that we have these the correct way, we're gonna do what we talked about earlier and just sew down the side, and then eventually we'll pull it inside out, which I don't have a great tool to do. So I need to find some sort of stick. Yeah. I'm still not a very fast sewer, okay? Don't judge me. Or am I? Oh, we went off the rails. So where we just sewed on these, we're just going to iron them down so that when we flip it inside out, you know, they'll be the same way. So this side and this side. Okay, I was really not sure how I was gonna get these not inside out because I don't have a fancy hook tool, but my partner has a bunch of tools himself and has this poker. So I think it's still gonna be hard, but we have a shot. Like obviously, ideally I would get this in the hole first, but I think we're gonna have to do it a little bit at a time. Also, these are definitely smaller than hers. Or she just has tiny hands. I cannot